everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the curling wand in this Duet set by Royale. This is a really high quality curling iron. You can get a lot of different looks out of it, but for this tutorial I'm going to show you a loose wave look. It's something that you can either dress up or dress down. It's very versatile for everyday use and formal occasions, and you are going to love it. So let's just hop right into it. So when you open it up, you will see that it includes a straightener as well as a curling wand, which I took out already, and there are some hair clips. When you look in the package, you will see that there is a straightening iron, a wand that I already took out. You get 2 clips and 3 different interchangeable wands. So I'm going to show you how to use the interchangeable wands. It's really easy to do. It comes with a small wand, a medium wand, which I have here, and a larger one. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to use the larger wand. You will notice that there's a release button on the front and on the back. Go ahead and press both of those to unlock the wand and just lift up. So keep holding them in, choose whichever wand you would like to replace it with. Go ahead and align the grooves, and there you go. It's locked into place. So as you can see here, there are 2 different settings. There's setting 1 and setting 2. Setting 1 is good for fine and thinner hair, and setting 2 is good for thicker hair. So that's what I'm going to use. So go ahead and slide it to whichever one works best for your hair type and let it heat up. As you can see, there is a 360-degree swivel, which makes it really easy to navigate this wand. Now I'm going to use the hair clips that are included in the set, and I will separate my hair into different sections. So I'll take the top part of my right hair, flip that up, do the same on the other side. Looks kind of crazy, but it's effective. Now the look is complete and you're ready to go out the door. Just kidding. Not done. This heats up really quickly, so it's all ready to go. Now that your hair is sectioned out, you can go ahead and start with the bottom section. Now, the first curl should always be going away from your face. So I'm going to take a little section like so, and wrap your hair around the barrel. Hold it for a few seconds. Go. I like to hold my hand here for a little bit so that it cools off and keeps a nice curl shape. Alright, as you can see, this is a beautiful curl. Sometimes I like to alternate the direction. It just really depends what kind of a mood you're in. There's really no right or wrong way to use this. It's really versatile. There's so many different looks you can get. But for the first 2 curls, I definitely recommend going away from your face. I am going out tonight, so this is a really good date night look, but it's also something that you could wear for work or for a formal dance. You could put it in a ponytail. So many different options. Sometimes when I'm done with this look, I'll do half up, half down. It's always an option. Also, if you use enough hairspray and dry shampoo, this look can last a few days, which is incredible. I always try and extend it at least 5 days. Okay, now when one side is complete, you can go ahead and start the other side. Notice that I alternate the size of the curls. So sometimes I grab a smaller section and sometimes I grab a bigger section. When you grab a smaller section and curl that by itself, then it's going to turn into more of a curl like this. Whereas when you take a bigger section, like what I'm about to do right now, the curl won't be as tight. It's more of a wave. And it's fun to just do some different sizes. You don't want it to be completely uniform all the way across. Okay, now that I've gone through the bottom layer, I'm going to release the right side and follow the same process. Make sure in the beginning you go away from your face, and then you can alternate. You can make the different sections bigger or smaller. There's really no right or wrong way to do this. So now that this whole side is complete, go ahead and let down the final section, left upper side, and let's finish this off. Another thing I love about this curling iron is that the end of it is not hot. I'll show you. You can actually touch this, so that's a really nice feature. You don't have to worry about burning your hand. I mean, you can burn your hand on this, so don't touch this part, but the upper part is okay to touch. I really love that this features a 360 swivel. It makes it so easy to navigate. So you can see it's just a seamless process. I don't have to worry about angling my hand exactly the right way. It just moves with me as I move. It swivels. Obviously, the longer you hold your hair on the wand, the more tight the curl will be. And if you only hold it for a few seconds, it's more of a loose wave. I'm not really counting, you just kind of get a feel for how long you want to hold it. Some of these I'm sure are longer than others, but that's the beauty of curls. It doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be uniform. In fact, it shouldn't be. Okay, so there you go. This is what it looks like after you use the wand to fully curl your hair, but we are not done yet. Finish this off with your favorite hairspray to reduce frizz and make sure that the curls stay in place. So I'm going to use this Royale hairspray. It works well at keeping the curls, so you can hopefully get them to last for a few days. Now I'm going to take my fingers and really go through the tight curls so it's more loose. So there you have it. That's how I achieved this look. It's very easy. This took a total of 10 to 20 minutes. This is something that you can easily do in the morning before work or school, wherever you're going. I love this look. This is something that I wear pretty much every day. And then tomorrow it will look possibly even better than this. So go out and try it for yourself. It's really easy to use and you are going to love it. Enjoy!